Hello, in this video we are going to see how we can customize my account page using CSS. So we have modified my account page with professional and clean UI, and even you can change background image using CSS. Let me open my account page. So here's the first UI of this page. You can change the background image of this page using CSS, and you can even modify little bit look and feel of this page, as you will get complete CSS code for this. So if you compare with your existing my account page, it looks a lot cleaner and professional, and we have removed few of the stuff to make it look clean. So for this demo, I'm using this website builder module. So if you're interested, you can also buy this module. So as you can see, the whole page, create account page, and privacy policy is as it is. So as you can see, the complete UI has been changed. It is looking a lot better, and we'll go through the code once. So it is just a simple few lines of CSS code which will give the expected output. Here you can change the image of the background image URL. So you can put any image that you want. That's it. And this code is not given as a free. You'll get the donation link in the description. We are expecting few donations to release the code. The reason is that if you share the code free, we really don't know who is using, and we really don't understand the value of the code and effort that we are putting. So we will appreciate if you can donate any amount that you wish, which will help us to develop this kind of stuff in future, and it will give us motivation to do lot of other stuff for you guys in future. Thank you.